Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to link PayPal and Venmo. So the first step is to set up a bank account and link it to both your PayPal and Venmo accounts. So you'll have to go to your PayPal account and select link a bank if you're on the website, or banks and cards if you're in the mobile app. So basically I'm gonna show to you how you can link your bank account to PayPal. So you'll have to go to wallet, and then here it says banks and cards. Simply tap on the plus button, then tap on banks, and then you'll have to link your bank account. Now you'll have to do the same thing on Venmo, the same bank account. So after that, once the bank account is linked to both, go to your Venmo, select transfer to bank and enter the desired amount. Choose the transfer option you prefer, instant or 1 to 3 business days, and then you'll have to simply tap transfer. After that, go back to your PayPal account, then continue to the transfer money option. Select add money to your balance, and you'll see the bank account that's linked to both your Venmo and PayPal. So you'll have to choose that bank account and hit add. The money will arrive in your PayPal wallet in 3 to 5 business days. So basically that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.